Warren homeowners are no strangers to unpredictable weather. From cold, windy winters and heavy snowfall to humid summers and sudden temperature swings, local conditions place constant stress on exterior doors. While many homeowners focus on choosing the right door material or style, the quality of door installation is just as important, if not more so. Even the best door can fail to protect your home if it isn't installed correctly. Here's why professional, high-quality door installation is essential for handling Warren's weather challenges and maintaining a comfortable, efficient home. Preventing drafts during cold winters. Warren winters can be harsh, with freezing temperatures and strong winds that quickly expose weak points in a home's exterior. Poorly installed doors often leave gaps around the frame, allowing cold air to seep inside. Quality door installation ensures tight alignment within the opening, proper weather stripping, compression, secure thresholds that block air leaks. These details help keep warm air inside and prevent uncomfortable drafts during the coldest months. Protecting against moisture and snow melt. Snow, ice, and rain are common in Warren, and melting moisture can easily find its way into homes through improperly installed doors. Water intrusion can damage flooring, door frames, and even wall structures over time. Professional installers use proper flashing techniques to ensure water drains away from the entry. Seal vulnerable areas around the frame. This protection is critical for preventing rot, mold, and costly repairs. Managing heat and humidity in summer. While winters are demanding, Warren summers bring their own challenges. Heat and humidity can cause doors to expand or shift if not installed properly, leading to sticking or sealing issues. Quality installation accounts for seasonal expansion and contraction, proper spacing and alignment, secure anchoring that maintains stability. This helps doors operate smoothly and seal effectively year-round. Improving energy efficiency and lowering bills. Doors are one of the most common sources of energy loss in a home. Even small installation errors can significantly reduce energy efficiency. A properly installed door minimizes air leakage, supports insulated cores, and energy-efficient glass reduces strain on heating and cooling systems for Warren homeowners. This means lower utility bills and more consistent indoor temperatures across all seasons. Enhancing home comfort near entryways. Poor door installation often creates cold or hot spots near entryways, making certain rooms uncomfortable. With quality installation, homeowners experience balanced indoor temperatures, improved comfort near doors and hallways, better overall airflow control. This makes everyday living more comfortable, especially during extreme weather. Strengthening home security in all conditions. Weather-related wear can weaken doors over time, especially if they aren't installed securely. A door that shifts or loosens due to poor installation becomes easier to force open. Professional installation ensures secure anchoring into wall framing, proper lock and strike plate alignment, long-term stability. Despite weather stress, this enhances security and peace of mind for Warren families. Preserving door performance and longevity. Improper installation places unnecessary stress on door materials and hardware. Over time, this leads to premature wear, sagging, or failure. Quality installation reduces strain on hinges and locks, keeps doors opening and closing smoothly, extends the lifespan of the door. This protects the homeowner's investment and reduces future maintenance costs. Maintaining curb appeal. Despite harsh weather, doors exposed to Warren's weather need to remain aligned and sealed to maintain their appearance. Gaps, warping, or uneven trim quickly detract from curb appeal. Professional installation ensures clean, even trim lines, proper door alignment, a polished, finished appearance. This helps homes look well maintained year after year. Long-term value and peace of mind. Quality door installation isn't just about immediate performance, it's about long-term reliability. Warren homeowners benefit from fewer weather-related issues, reduced repair needs, confidence that their home is protected. Why installation quality makes all the difference. Warren's challenging weather demands more than just a good-looking door. It requires expert installation that accounts for cold, moisture, heat, and seasonal changes. Quality door installation protects against drafts, water intrusion, energy loss, and security risks while ensuring long-lasting performance. For homeowners looking to safeguard comfort, efficiency, and home value, investing in professional door installation is one of the smartest decisions they can make.